While I was fitting the grill, I had my care package show up, so let's pull it apart. These should be my repo headlights. What do you guys reckon? Good quality? All I care about is hopefully the fit is good, but look, they look good, but do they fit good? So I'm just going to hook up the indicators and then we'll go fit them to the car. Well, there you go. That's the repo grille badge, painted factory grille and repo headlights with factory tail indicators and repo front bar. Now don't judge the front bar, none of it's bolted, the mounts aren't bolted in securely. I've just got it on the side brackets because I'm waiting for a bolt kit. Mine are all rusty, but man, repo parts, yes, the fitment's not perfect, but I mean, it still looks 1,000 times better than what I had. And obviously I can play with fitment, I can elongate holes, I can get, you know, the car's quite old, so yeah, the fitment's not going to be perfect, but how good is that looking? I've got the stripes, the factory silver stripes to go on the bar, but I've got to wait for the bolt kit for the bar so I can line up the bar correctly. But yeah, besides that, that's what it sort of looks like. It's about a week later. I've just finished work and I've been potting along with the VN gutter trash. Now I've started fitting the gutter moulding back. Managed to get clips to fit this correctly, so now it's all clipped in. I don't like the idea of silicone, so I'm going to scrape all this off and find clips and put the hockey mold back in. Have to remove these door handles. I've got all black door handles. This gives you sort of an idea of what it looks like. I know I got to lower it, lower the rear, lower the front. What else have I done? The front bumper bar still waiting on bolts, which is a little bit frustrating, but in these times I can't do too much about it. Got hold of a sticker kit off eBay. Actually looks alright. Just fitted them off camera. So obviously you can see here I've got to bolt the bar in properly. Actually gives you an idea of how far it's come. So I've still got a bunch to do on this side. Actually got to paint the seals, still wet rub the car a bit more with maybe 2000. I've got the repo rear bar, but I haven't got the Rio, so I've got to wait till restrictions ease in Melbourne so I can go pick up the Rio. But yeah, so guys, just give you a quick update. Actually, this is meant to be MX grey. To me it looks a bit darker, but maybe because normally, maybe to me it looks like that because normally they're not meant to be as glossy, but these are like super glossy. But you know what, I actually don't mind the colour regardless. I think it actually looks alright. Car's against the fence, so you probably can't see it, but got this side on as well. But yeah, so you can see the sun shining. But yeah, look, this paintwork's definitely not perfect, but I think I can get it up 50 to 70% better than the way I received it. All these fine scratches from the wet rubbing, but at least it's like smooth now. So you can still see I still got a bit more work to do here. This has just been done quick, but I think a lot of it will come out with the polishing process as well. But yeah, so I'll give you guys a quick update. You can sort of see the idea I'm going for a bit more now with the fatter rear tyre on the 15x7s, and then the 17x4.5s on the front with a smaller tyre. But oh, that's another thing. Fitted the rear seat. So these are the factory executive external door molds, body molds. So I've got them. I've got to sort this out. The only reason I haven't fitted this, sorry, bear with me, one-handed. The only reason I fitted this is it's really popped up and it doesn't sit down on the end because it's got like, I think the actual metal that the rubber wraps around is like crumbling inside, so therefore it doesn't sit down flat. So I've got to sort that out. And obviously that's my rear bar. But you can see that yeah, I've got a back seat in it now. So the reason why I never had a back seat is when I purchased the car, it had a SS rear seat with the red piping. Obviously I wanted to bring this back to exec, so we worked out a deal where he kept the rear seat and knocked a tiny bit of money off the price, and I just had to get my own back seat. So yeah, I found a pretty half decent exec rear seat, good enough for me anyway. I've actually got a pair of they're in the house, but I've got a pair of exec front seats to put in. So this one's not too bad, but the driver's side's got a rip in it, so I'll do that next episode. We'll put the front seats in, and then if anyone's interested in these seats, maybe make us an offer. I've got to get rid of this atrocious door card. So I've got all the door cards already. But yeah, looking 10 times better with a normal parcel shelf, a normal back seat. But yeah, so I thought I'd just give you guys a quick update to finish off the episode. But you can definitely see once the rear bar's on, it's lowered. I want it sitting, I think I mentioned it last video, but I want it sitting just over the tyre on the rear and just above the tyre on the front to give it that nice, I call it the XY stance, the taking off stance. But yeah. But hope you enjoyed this episode. Tune in next week. We'll do the front seats, hopefully get the rear bar on, and I might tackle some suspension stuff and get this thing looking heaps better. I mean, it's come from where it's come from to even how it's looking now is 1,000 times better. But yeah, like, share, subscribe, do all the good stuff. Appreciate all the new subscribers. Hope you're enjoying the content, and we'll see you at the next one.